What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy. Today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing the charge harness on my brother's car, because as you know, the OEM S2000 fuse box used to be right here. We relocated to here. So for the charge harness, which is, you know, the alternator and the starter, now we have to route it all the way back to here. So basically the alternator and the starter, it has to go to the fuse boxes. The primary fuse box, which was over there, and then the secondary fuse box, which was over here, that we relocated here. So what we're going to be doing today is, as you saw from when I opened the package earlier, these Amphenol RADLOKs, these are pretty cool. So basically what happens is it's like a pass-through, so you can just click the button here and then it'll separate, and then you can just pull it apart, and then to put it back in you just click it like so. See? So I think the plan is to run it somewhere where it's clean, and what I'm thinking is probably right there. So it needs to go kind of like that. I don't know if you can see it, like that right there. I think this is the cleanest way. On mine's I had it right here. I don't know if I should run that right there or not. Right here was where I had mine's. So Lewis is on his way over here. So I'm gonna get his input on where he thinks I should run it, because the one that I ran on mine's was a different kind of connector. These are actually cooler. I wish I would have found these before I did mine. So let's see. So what's cool about this is they come with these little templates for you to drill. And by the way, I'll put the links down below where I got this. I got this from Maven Performance. Shout out to them for putting together a good kit. But I'll have the link in the description below. I'm thinking we should put it like that, maybe. Not sure. So right here is where I'm thinking we should put it.
Listen, Jerry, I will move boxes to get you out here.
And it'll go in like that. It's a lot of holes to drill, man. By the way, the beginning of this video might be a little shaky because it's just me. There's nobody helping me with the camera because Jaden's still at work. So towards the end we should be getting a better video footage. So I think that's the best place we can put it. That's still clean looking. Yeah, I think that's what we'll go with. I mean, there's not really anywhere else to put it. We could put it like right there, but you know, that would be a pain in the ass, because then we'd have to take out the dash and stuff like that too. So I think that's where we'll go with. So I started some pilot holes for that. We're gonna need some bigger drill bits, but I think that's good. I think that's Lewis. Yep, it is. Look who showed up. This guy.
Hello.
Yo, what's up? Running the a separated charge harness, basically.
Yes. Just battery alternator start.
Yep. But check out the connectors that I got for
Did
it.
you get the wiring harness ran right?
What do you mean?
The mil spec.
Yeah. I put the new harness in already, so.
Very nice.
I don't know where I just put it.
What do these do? You just throw them in
So
there?
basically, hold this. You press the button. Alright.
Very nice.
It's like a quick disconnect.
I might need some of those.
Oh, yeah, these are nice. They come with the templates too. You put them right here.
Oh,
So, I drew the particles already. I think, hopefully, no. We ain't do much, bro, since the last time.
no? You got the brakes on though, huh?
Yeah.
Fresh.
There you go.
Damn.
I think I blew out that.
What'd you do? Oh no. It's too big?
No, this hole is a little off.
That one is too. It's alright. It'll fit.
Alright, what are we doing today?
We've been recording, bro. We've been recording.
What the fuck?
Alright, so we got these done. They're all in there, solid. So now what we gotta do is put the wires on here. We gotta crimp this onto here. This is 4 gauge, I believe. Yes.
Pocketing 4 a week.
Alright, so
expenses.
strip this and then put it in here. I got this dope crimper. Crimper, bro.
You got the real bee's knees.
Yeah.
Look at here. What coming up in the world, eh?
Always, bro.
Might be a little tighter,
more.
brother. Yeah, that's pretty loosey-goosey. Does that go?
Yeah.
Does it go tighter?
No. Turn it this way. Yeah, it does. I just want to clean this up first. Then.
Oh my gosh.
Here.
Look at this. Yeah?
Flip it. This way. No. See the sharp edge? You want to clean that up.
Cut it. Yeah?
That. Try to
All
pull
right.
it off.
There it is. Yeah, you should have put a little shrink wrap.
Oh, don't worry, bro. You think I'm gonna use all this wire?
Might.
No. I told you, I got it.
Dang. That's pretty good. And then that one comes back to the to the fuse box.
Yep. All right.
Very
Here,
nice.
cut it off. Right here.
Watch his finger.
Yep. There.
Skating.
Look at that. We put Raychem DR25
the
on
whole
there
thing,
because
everything
you know
already.
that's how we do it.
Whoa, no way, dude.
To go get tuned, that's the first thing they did. So something's not firing, man. They did the wiring on the injectors, and that's what it was. I was like, dang, Jim. Dang, man. Messing it up, man.
It was a long, lonely night, bro. Yeah, go up higher. Right there. Open it. There. What? Right there. Okay.
No, 60. You want a good, decent, low mileage NSX.
No, I want
Not
a
over 100,000
I want a
miles.
clapped out, old.
No, even
Put
though
a little water on it, bro. I'm telling you, it'll slide right
It's
up.
gonna shrink. Like the old NSX, you want a good, decent mileage, it's gonna be at least 80 grand. Oh really? No. My dad found a good one for like 65.
62.
62. What's the mileage on it?
42K.
Ooh. Ooh. It also was a 91. Ooh. I'm sure your dad won like an 04.
Oh, 04.
I'm not paying 175 grand for 04.
I know your dad. Yeah, like 02 to 04.
I'd rather get that one and then put out 10K and do the conversion.
Fucking.
Can that work?
Look at that, bro.
I don't want to touch
It's
it.
bent.
It looks good. It's bent. That looks good. Crimp that on too?
Yeah. Right in there.
Sheesh!
Razor blades.
We cutting now.
Are you leaving, bro? You leaving out of here?
No.
On Facebook reels and whatnot.
That was his first ever like rock
So it'll go
rap
like
song
that.
with Tech 9.
Tech 9.
Yeah.
Tech 9
9.
trash, bro.
Is that the smaller one now?
I haven't seen him change it.
That's pretty good. I would have heated up more.
All right. We're putting it in now.
Perfect.
Yep. Kaden, you want to find a nut for that?
Perfect.
What size it?
I don't know.
That's the one right there, brother.
Yep.
Very nice, Kaden.
Downstar, bro.
Is that what that is?
Downstar.
I think it's a
Blue
13,
nickel?
right?
Huh?
It's a 13, right?
Is that blue zinc?
Here, you want to tighten it? Get a 13. It's a 13.
Alright. Do it.
Look at that.
Yeah, that looks good.
Let me just wrap up.
All down here on the alternator.
This is sick, dude. It's gonna take like 3 months for this to run. Line 2. Oh.
Lots it goes into this fuse box over here.
What I would do, just make a jumper from your alternator to your starter.
No,
Power
Lewis,
bolt.
I'm telling you. One goes on that fuse box, the secondary fuse box, and one goes to this main fuse box. All right, so we got these in. Now my OCD is kicking in, and I want these to line up to where it looks good. I think what I'm gonna do is swap these over here. That way, when it splits. Zone right there. No. Gimme! Yum. Yum.
Yes, sir.
That's the ballistic way right there, baby. You know, sometimes I want to strip him naked and throw him inside a sandblaster and just fucking sandblast his wheelies, bro.
Oh
You try one day.
One day, I'm gonna strip you naked and then I'm gonna toss you in that sandblaster. This one goes here.
Only yeah, you would go through my balls like that.
Never want to tighten it with a screwdriver. It'll just strip this bolt. You gotta use the socket.
Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Subscribing don't cost you nothing, helps the channel out. We out this piece. Remember, authenticity is king.